Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster?
Improve your pronunciation?
Watch English Conversation daily.
Good evening, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the classic cheeseburger with a side of sweet potato fries, please.
Great choice. How would you like your cheeseburger cooked?
Medium rare, please.
Okay. Anything to drink with your meal?
I'll have an iced tea, please.
All right, one classic cheeseburger with sweet potato fries, and an iced tea. I'll get that started for you right away.
Thank you.
Here you go, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. That looks amazing.
I'm glad you think so. Please be careful, the plate is hot. Would you like me to bring anything else, like extra napkins or some grated cheese?
Some extra napkin would be great, thank you.
Sure thing. I'll get that for you right away. Please enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
I hope you enjoyed your meal. How was everything?
It was fantastic. Thank you.